Local and global issues sow world disorder, warns Erdogan. Saudi Crown Prince blames Iran for oil tanker attacks. Oil tanker attacks leverage for sanctioned Iran. Saudi minister requests support for YPG PKK terrorist. US extend waiver for Iraq to import energy from Iran. UAE repatriates 5 suspects of Sri Lanka Easter bombings. Sudan, al-Bashir due in court within week. 8 Kenyan police officers killed in border bomb attack. Somalia, double car bomb blast killed 9, wounded 25. Islamophobia cannot solve problems of Europe or Asia. Bangladesh leaders warns Rohingya crisis must be solved. India and Bangladesh set to work to reduce border deaths.